Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I've got a Heritage 48 rolling out of the shop today. I feel like the old Heritage model, kind of a sleeper build here at TMG. You don't see many of them rolling out of the shop, but hey, they're really just a great all-around smoker. So let's check this one out. Now, this is going to my man Taylor, all the way over in Oregon. I'm actually about to box it up and ship it over there to him. But guys, this is a reverse flow smoker. Now, we'll build the Heritage either way. Hey, I'll build a reverse flow or traditional flow. He just wanted a reverse flow. I don't blame him, that's my favorite. But anyways, here, let's check it out. So you got a bottom and top sliding tray in this unit. Guys, listen here, I will never make you pay extra for a top shelf. I just won't do it, okay? That's standard. Every TMG pit, you get a top shelf. Now, like I said, it is reverse flow, so the baffle plates are removable in this unit. You can pick them up out of there, makes it easy to clean. And what they do is they direct the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back across the smoke chamber out the stack. So it makes it for real even cooking temperatures in there. A really good all-around cooker. He did get our TMG Pits Tell True thermometers in there as well, as you can see. And how about that front shelf? He did upgrade to our stainless steel front shelf. Now you still get that paper towel and utensil holder on there. And as you can see, it is on our off-road package as well. And he got some badass wheels and tires on there from our friends Mods down in Texas. Really looks sharp on this rig. Step around the firebox here. Now, normally this would have a round firebox on it. He actually upgraded to our copperhead style firebox, which means you got the built-in griddle top, which is super awesome. As you're sitting there smoking all day, you got a hot griddle ready to go. It does have a grease drain in the back, drain all the grease out. Open up the firebox here. You can see his fire management cradle in there, as well as we got a built-in ash clean out at the bottom. D-ring tie down points on all four corners. It's a really nice all-around build, guys. Gonna make a great cooker for my man Taylor. And like I said, I'm about to box this thing up, ship it over there to him. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.